Hi friends, good morning. Next question in our series. This is 4 marks question friends for IPE regarding. Okay friends. So what is that question? Distinguish between arteries and veins. So simplest question friends. Distinguish between arteries and veins. First you have to know the basics of the subject friends. If you don't know the difference between arteries and veins, see we can't read the Human Genome Project, etc., etc. Okay? You know friends, arteries, veins and capillaries are the blood vessels. These blood vessels carry blood from heart to body part to heart. These blood vessels are mesodermal in origin. The study of blood vessels is called as angiology. Friends, no need to write all these things in IPE. This is for NEET and MCET. Once again friends, blood vessels are mesodermal in origin. The study of blood vessels is called as angiology. Blood vessels are of 3 types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Friends, in addition to these 3 arteries, veins and capillaries, you have to remember 2 more words: arterioles and venules. Friends, arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, veins. Like that you have to remember friends. Arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, veins. Okay friends. Once again friends, blood vessels are of 3 types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries splits into arterioles, arterioles splits into capillaries, capillaries fuse to form venules, venules fuse to form veins. These blood vessels are mesodermal in origin. Study of blood vessels is called as angiology. Friends, if you see a blood vessel, internal structure, it has 3 parts. It has 3 layers: outer layer, middle layer, inner layer. Outer layer is also called as tunica externa or tunica adventitia. Middle layer is called as tunica media. Inner layer is called as tunica interna or tunica intima. Friends, tunica externa, tunica media, tunica interna. Friends, each and every blood vessel has a cavity. The cavity or the empty place of the blood vessel is called a lumen. Friends, here you have to remember lumen, in which the blood flows. What is that cavity friends? Lumen. Next friends, some blood vessels have valves. You know friends, valves allow the flow of blood only in one direction. So now you have to remember all these words. Now come to what is our question friends. Write the differences between arteries and veins. First you see this image friends. See, this red color one is artery, this blue color one is vein. See friends, artery is carrying blood from heart to body parts. See, now you see the diameter of the artery. At first it is wider in range and gradually it is splitting into branches. So arteries progressively decreasing in size. See friends, here the size of the artery is very high or more, it is gradually decreasing. See friends, veins. Veins are gradually uniting and increasing in size or increasing in diameter. See friends, arteries, arterioles, capillaries. Capillaries, venules, veins. You have to remember it friends. Next, one more image friends you have to see. See friends. See, valves. Valves are present only in the veins. Arteries have no valves. Remember it friends. Valves are present only in the veins, not in the arteries. Okay friends. Next friends, you see the thickness. See friends, this is the internal structure of the artery and veins. See, A artery, B vein. Number 1, tunica externa. Number 2, see friends, this is the lumen, that is the cavity. And number 3, tunica media. See friends, tunica media is thicker in arteries than veins. You have to remember friends. Tunica media is a muscular layer. It is made up of non-striated muscles or visceral muscles friends. So it is thicker in arteries and thin in veins. Tunica media on its either side it has two elastic laminae in arteries, only one elastic laminae in veins. Okay friends. Now come to actual our question friends. What is the difference between arteries and veins? Now you see friends. Here you have to please concentrate. Arteries are distributing vessels. Veins are collecting vessels. See friends, what are arteries? Arteries are distributing blood from heart to various body parts. So because of we are calling them as what friends? Distributing vessels. Whereas veins are collecting blood from body parts. So we are calling them as collecting vessels. Arteries are distributing vessels. Veins are collecting vessels. Next friends, arteries carry blood from heart to body parts. Simple friends. Whenever you hear a blood vessel which is carrying blood from heart to body parts, that is artery. Arteries carry blood from heart to body parts. Whereas veins carry blood from body part to heart. Because of that only we are calling them as collecting vessels. Next friends, arteries end in capillaries. Veins start with capillaries. This is very important friends. Here you see friends in the image. See friends, arteries end in capillaries. Being a biology student, being a zoology student, you must know this one friends. Arteries end in capillaries. Whereas veins start with capillaries. Simple definition, difference friends. Arteries end in capillaries, veins start in capillaries. Next friends, if you see friends, arteries progressively dividing and decrease in size. Arteries progressively dividing and decreasing size. See friends how arteries become arterioles, arterioles become capillaries. So the size of the artery is more than the arteriole, the size of the arteriole is more than the capillary. Whereas veins, see friends, progressively uniting and increase in size. See, veins are progressively uniting friends. See friends, capillaries fuse to form venules, venules fuse to form veins. So they are progressively uniting and increase in size. Next friends, another important point friends. See, all arteries carry pure blood, but pulmonary artery and umbilical artery carries impure blood. Friends, you know, all arteries carry pure blood, but there are two arteries friends. One is pulmonary artery and then is umbilical artery. You know friends, pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs, whereas umbilical artery, it carries blood from fetus to the mother. Okay friends, so these two arteries, what are those two arteries? Pulmonary artery and umbilical artery. These two arteries carry impure blood, whereas all veins carry pure blood friends, but pulmonary vein and umbilical vein carries pure blood. All veins carry impure blood friends. You know what is impure blood? Carboxylated blood, deoxygenated blood. All veins carry impure blood, but two arteries. What are those two arteries friends? Pulmonary veins, you know friends, pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the left atrium or left auricle. Like that, umbilical veins, they carry blood from mother to the fetus, pure blood from mother to the fetus. Okay friends? Next friends, arteries generally present deeper part of the body, they are deep in location, whereas veins are present at the superficial part of the body, they are peripheral or superficial in location. Next friends, in arteries, blood flows with more pressure by jerks. You know friends, when ventricles contract during ventricular systole, blood comes out from the heart and enters into the arteries. So due to that, what happens friends? Blood flows with more pressure. You know friends, blood flows with more pressure by jerks in arteries, whereas in veins, blood flows uniformly with low pressure. Okay friends? Next, arteries have narrow lumen friends, whereas veins have wide lumen. Arteries have narrow lumen, veins have wide lumen. Next friends, Arteries are non-valvular, whereas veins are valvular. Friends, arteries have no valves, but veins have valves. This is important, friends. You have to remember it, friends. Next, in arteries, wall is elastic. So to overcome the pressure caused by the pumping of the blood from the heart, these arteries they have elastic, whereas veins are non-elastic. Arteries are non-collapsible, veins are collapsible. Okay, friends, this is about the differences between arteries and veins. Once again, you have to see, friends, arteries are distributing vessels, veins are collecting vessels. Arteries carry blood from heart to body parts, veins carry blood from body parts to heart. Arteries end in capillaries, veins start with capillaries. Arteries progressively dividing and decrease in size, whereas veins progressively uniting and increase in size. See, friends, all arteries carry pure blood, but pulmonary artery and umbilical artery carries impure blood. All veins carry impure blood, but pulmonary vein and umbilical vein carry pure blood. Arteries present deeper part of the body, they are deep in location. Veins are peripheral in location. In arteries, blood flows with more pressure by jerks. In veins, blood flows uniformly with low pressure. Arteries have narrow lumen, veins have wide lumen. Arteries have no valves, they are non-valvular. Veins have valves, they are valvular. Arteries, the wall of the arteries is elastic, the wall of the veins is non-elastic. Arteries are non-collapsible, veins are collapsible. Okay, friends. Now once again you see the image, friends. Here you see it. See, this is what, friends? Artery. This is vein. Artery, arterioles, capillaries, venules, arteries. Next, once again, friends. See, valves are present only in the veins, not in the arteries. Okay, friends. This is about what, friends? You have to see the differences once again, friends. Please, you have to see it. Okay, friends. Thank you. Good day.